Chosen One, notice the heavy, exhausted tension you have been carrying in your chest. You have been sitting in the quiet, watching the people who manipulated you, betrayed you, or stole your energy seemingly flourish while you were left to rebuild from nothing. You have asked the universe why the scales of justice seem completely broken, but you are hearing this voice right now because the unseen realm is shifting dramatically and the scales have already tipped. The ones who took from you are about to lose everything they built on that stolen foundation. They extracted your light, but they do not possess the divine connection to sustain it. Their reality is actively fracturing. You did not find this message by accident. This is a divinely timed intervention. Before your mind tries to pull you back into the pain of the past, I need you to make a commitment right now. Stay with me until the very end of this message. Do not click away. The universe brought you here because you need the full picture. By the end of our time together, I am going to reveal the exact spiritual mechanics of how the universe is returning, what was lost, why their temporary win was actually your ultimate protection, and the specific energetic shift you must make today to receive your massive compensation. If you leave early, you will only understand the pain, but you will miss the key to your restoration. You need to hear every word of this to understand the true mechanism of divine justice. Take a deep breath in, hold it for just a second, now let it out slowly. Feel the physical toll of holding on to this injustice. I know the sleepless nights you have spent staring at the ceiling at 2 in the morning, replaying every conversation. I know the thick brain fog that rolls in when you try to focus on your own life, but your mind is anchored to what they did to you. You feel a deep, haunting emptiness, a physical ache in your bones from carrying a burden that was never yours to carry. You blame yourself. You call yourself naive for trusting them. You think you should have seen the signs. I am here to tell you that it was not your fault. Your light naturally attracts those who are wandering in the dark. You did exactly what a being of high frequency does. You gave, you trusted, you poured out. But there is a hidden reason why the universe allowed them to take it. You see, there is an illusion of theft that you need to break right now. You think they stole your destiny. You think they walked away with your future, your brilliant ideas, your peace, or your resources. They did not. They only stole the physical byproduct of your energy. They took the fruit, but they could never touch the root. You are the root. You are the generator. Let us look at the psychological reality of why manipulators and takers specifically target chosen ones. These individuals do not have their own internal source connection. They operate in a spiritual deficit. They cannot generate their own joy, their own creativity, or their own genuine success. So they have to find someone who can. They found you. They plugged into your frequency to sustain themselves. They did not take your power. They just temporarily siphoned the overflow. You might think this is just about karma catching up to them, but it is actually about what is happening inside your brain right now. When you experienced that betrayal, when you realized what they had done, something shifted inside of you. You felt it. The betrayal caused what scientists call the decline effect, cite 9. Your spirit felt like it went into lockdown. That natural flow state you used to operate in, that deep, magical intuition where you just knew the right answers, it felt like it hit a concrete wall. Your system shut down because the trauma told your body that being open and brilliant was no longer safe. You lost access to your own God-given ability, cite 8. Neuroscientists actually have a name for this state of brilliant intuition and deep connection. They call it the gamma brainwave, cite 3. It is the frequency of genius and high spiritual alignment. When you were hurt, your brain turned this frequency down to protect you. It went dormant. But I want you to know that it is not gone. Later in this message, I am going to share a fascinating study from Princeton, cite 31, that reveals a very specific, quiet way to flip that gamma switch back on and reactivate your dormant power. We will get to that. But before we talk about rebuilding your frequency, we need to talk about what is actually happening to them. The exact thing they stole is what will destroy them. Think about the ancient story of Joseph. His own brothers threw him into a pit and sold him, fully believing they were stealing his destiny and his favored position. But they actually initiated his preparation. They set him on the exact path to become the ruler who would eventually save them. The spiritual mechanics of the universe dictate that a borrowed frequency cannot be sustained. When someone takes your ideas, your peace, your time, or your resources without having the internal alignment to hold them, their foundation begins to crack. They are losing everything right now because their life is a complete mismatch for the heavy, powerful energy they tried to hoard. And it is not just you. Right now, all across the world, chosen ones are watching the systems and the people that abuse them begin to fracture. But their collapse means nothing if your own frequency remains broken. Here is how you repair the bridge. The large truth you must understand is that the real theft was not the money, the wasted years, or the broken relationship. The real theft was your gamma frequency. Your God-given ability to manifest deep flow states and beautiful synchronicities was abruptly interrupted. If you are listening to this right now, it is highly likely you are not an average person. Your gamma was originally much stronger than most. You were born with a profound, almost magical intuition. And because that frequency was so strong, when it was shut down by their betrayal, you felt the heavy, suffocating weight of its absence more intensely than anyone else ever could. You realize now that you do not need an apology from them. You need your own mind back. There is a 7-minute ritual that neuroscientists have developed to do exactly this. This is not meditation. This is science. Let me tell you about a 51-year-old man who had been unemployed for 2 years after a major company downsized. He was not unskilled, but the shock caused him to lose his sharpness. He described walking into interviews with severe brain fog, unable to find the right words. It felt like his mind was blocked. After just 11 days of using a specific audio track to reactivate his gamma waves, he received a high-level job offer. He said, "I did not change my resume. I changed what was happening right here inside my brain. I know what you might be thinking right now. You have already tried meditation. You have tried positive thinking. But I will tell you straight, meditation requires months or even years of dedicated daily practice to actually synchronize your brainwaves back to a gamma state. Brain entrainment technology does it directly in just 7 minutes. To activate gamma waves the traditional way, people usually pay $300 an hour for clinical biofeedback therapy or $7,000 for a bulky home device. But Dr. Robert Lake, a neuroscientist with 34 years of experience, compressed that exact technology into a 7-minute digital audio track you can listen to at home called The Genius Song. The original price for this is $49, which is already less than a single therapy session. However, because Dr. Lake wants this technology in the hands of the chosen ones who truly need it to rebuild, he lowered the price to $39, exclusively for the people watching this video. You cannot find this price on Amazon or Spotify or anywhere else. With that $39, you get the 7-minute core technology, plus 4 free bonuses, including the Genius Child audio track, a classic wealth-building book, a guided visualization for your ideal life, and a daily habit infographic. All of this comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. If you do not feel the difference in your intuition and focus, you get your money back without any questions. I must warn you, there are many fake websites and counterfeit products trying to use the name The Genius Song right now. Those fake copies do not have the real brain entrainment technology embedded in them. They are just empty sounds. The only way to ensure you get the original product, the 4 bonuses, and the money-back guarantee is through the specific link I have placed in the description and the pinned comment of this video. Do not search for it anywhere else. Every single day you wait is another day your gamma frequency continues to sleep. It is another day of carrying that heavy fog. If you want to explore this 7-minute ritual and reclaim what was taken from you, go to the link in the description and the pinned comment right now. Once your mind is clear, the final stage of justice can arrive. This is the ultimate truth you must understand today. The universe did not let them steal from you to punish you. It was not a cosmic penalty for a mistake you made. The universe actually used them to empty your hands. Why? Because what you were desperately holding on to was simply too small for the massive season you are about to enter. You thought they were taking your future, but they were not. They were carrying away your past. They were literally the cleanup crew disguised as your enemies. They removed the incompatible situations, the draining relationships, and the old mindsets that would have suffocated your next level. You are the cycle breaker. You are not meant to scavenge for scraps. You do not rebuild the old broken house they tore down, because you are about to inherit the mansion. Take a deep breath. It is time to officially close the door on what was taken. We need to do a forgiveness process right now, but hear me clearly. This is not about excusing their toxic actions. This is about cutting the energetic cord so their inevitable collapse does not pull you down with them. I want you to stay exactly where you are. You do not need to move. Just in your mind, visualize a thick, heavy cord connecting your chest to the memory of what they did. Now, with your next exhale, I want you to mentally sever that cord. Breathe in deeply and breathe out, watching that cord fall away. You are no longer attached to their sinking ship. Stay with me, because what I am about to declare over your life in a moment is the seal of your restoration. Let us express our profound gratitude to the higher intelligence. Thank you for the divine protection that was so deeply hidden inside the pain. I acknowledge every unseen tear you have cried in the dark. I honor the quiet, exhausting endurance you have maintained when no one else was watching. Now it is time to let it go. Release the anger. Release the heavy attachment to the stolen things. Release the need to see them fail. Instead, we call forth your dormant gamma frequency. We activate the divine connections that are looking for you right now. We summon the multiplied return of everything that was lost. We place a guard over this new foundation to protect it from any old toxic patterns. Speak this declaration with me in your spirit. I am stepping into my season of restoration. It is sealed, and so it is. One more thing before you go. When their life collapses and they inevitably try to return to your light for comfort, your only answer must be absolute silence. You are not the victim of their theft anymore. You are the architect of your own massive elevation. If you receive this message and claim this energy today, type "restored" in the comments below. May you walk in absolute peace, surrounded by the unbelievable abundance that is already rushing toward you. Until next time, chosen one.